Hi there. In this quick video we'll be taking a look at this PeakTech 8202 4mm banana plug lab cable set. Obviously for use with power supplies, but who knows what you are into, so maybe even for other things. These are the lengths of the leads, so as you can see there are many of them, so 24 cables, 4 of each length, red, black, blue and yellow. Nice. And obviously you can daisy chain them, parallel them, do whatever you want, as they can connect one into the other, so that's pretty cool. But let's get into it and I will show how you can connect to that power supply, which is a separate video. Let's quickly open the box. I always wanted a set like this, so thank you very much PeakTech for sending it. I always did janky connections for the wires when I needed to split them and go to town with my connections, but now I don't need to, because I have these things which can connect one into the other as you need, which is pretty cool. And my daughter is near me, so if you hear the weird noises or see little hands appearing, it's from her. Let's see. Oh, okay, Velcro really good. First impression. I have no idea, probably I took directly the shortest ones, so they are rated up to 10 amps. Hopefully you can see. And I must say, they are extremely flexible and quite thick insulation, which I like. Really flexible. That's good. That's really good. And again, you can daisy chain them. All of them have connections, so you can go from one to the other and do whatever you need to, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I think more or less that's it. Let's connect something and show you how they work. I give you here an example of weird connections. So we are starting from the power supply. These two wires are connected here. They are the cables from my big PeakTech lab supply. I will link its video in the description. And here we are using cables from this set and just connect it to this. So I can basically give power to any little tiny thingy that I want to, just by poking it. You could go to town and add these extensions from there, blue and yellow. Yeah, you can get red and black if you want to keep the theme, and extend them to something like this. Bigger alligator clips. So yeah, you can go to town with this thing. Just keep in mind what the power supply can do. You have the same voltage for all of this, but then again you can add other circuitry that can change the voltage if you need to. Pretty cool. But now yeah, let's see. So doesn't matter honestly the positive and negative, this bulb will light up. This normally is a 21 watt bulb on the bigger one, but that's blown, so we only have the smaller one, which is 5 watt, so well within what the supply can do, even more within the 10 amps that these cables can withstand. And this bulb, it's a 5 watt one, so again well within what we need. In theory, if we start this, although it's not connected again, make sure nothing is shorting. When you have a rat's nest of wires, even more important. Power it on and you can already see it starting to glow. And it's showing us what's drawing. So let's say more or less 6 volts. It's about 0.3 amps. So that means it's actually drawing at 6 volts about 2 watts. Let's go to it's 12 volts and it's lighting up more and more and more. You can see the current is also increasing because there's a connection between voltage, current and resistance. That's pretty nice to play with. And we are now at, yeah, I think we are exactly at 5 watts, what this should be drawing. But now, let's also, again, make sure you don't short anything, power this fellow. Ta-da-da! So now basically we are at almost 12 watts. Pretty cool, isn't it? I really love to play with stuff like this. And these cables allow you to do all sorts of weird connections and troubleshoot electronics, or just make interesting circuits and play with them. Just realized something. From the factory they are aligned in size. So for example, these are the longest. So they are basically one next to the other. There wasn't room for all of them. Similar in here. In here it's the biggest, where all 4 are in the same I don't know, velcro, and here the cables are shorter and shorter. So yeah, if you want to know what length of cable you have, and you can take it in a blink of an eye, keep them arranged like this. If not, yes, it will be fun. You need to guess by how many I don't know, strands are in here and guess the length. But if you keep them like this, how they come from the factory, all good. And as always, close it up and do what you need with it. It's padded, they are safe in there. And because sometimes stars align in the best possible way, look what I found, I don't know, 2 weeks later than starting the video for these cables at Lidl. And they were actually cheap, 6 euros or something like that for the whole set of 80. I was looking at them and wondering, might they be what I need? They are normally advertised, let me not drop them, for cables. Nowhere, you can see here cross section 1.5 to 2.5 square millimeters. Up to 24 volts because they are uninsulated, that's clear. So this set only up to 24 volts, nothing more than that. Or no touchy, but yeah, better play safe, up to 24 volts. Nowhere did they say that they work with banana plugs, but I was looking at that hole. And yeah, I'm filming, didn't put the phone in its normal position, so I'm doing this with only one hand. Look at this. They are absolutely perfect, and this set is also meant to go permanently onto wires. You can squish them onto wires permanently, but with these cables they are absolutely perfect. So yeah, stars do sometimes line up. Yeah, with normal 2 hands I could get them way easier out, but even with 1 hand. So they are great. And yes, look at these things. They are the elastic ones, so they make a really good contact, are not just the split in the middle ones that don't make nice contact. These are the good type. And that's about it for this video. Thank you very much, PeakTech, for sending this in. They are godsend for anybody playing around with electronics. And with these things, they are a match made in heaven. They are awesome on their own, but now together super awesome. And yeah, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Check out my other videos, maybe subscribe to the channel, that helps a lot. And as always, see you in the next one. Bye. And yes, a few of them are attached to something else, but ignore, not all of them are here now. Anyway, doesn't matter.